Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 12-inch MDF base. I drew some intricate circles, created grids. The angles were marked at 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150. Let's get started with dotting now. I'll start with dotting in the center in golden yellow metallic color. Now I'll keep tiny dots in the same yellow. Now I'll dot with olive green metallic color. Now I'll keep tiny dots in olive green. Now I'll keep some dots in bronze. Now I'll keep tiny dots in bronze. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in golden yellow. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in olive green. Now I'll keep some golden yellow dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes to all these yellow dots. Now I'll keep some bronze dots. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. Now I'll work the dots in this golden yellow. Now I'll keep some bronze dots. Now I'll keep some olive green dots. Now I'll work the dots with olive green. Now I'll work the dots with bronze. Now I'll keep straight swipes in yellow. I'll keep a dot, then drag it to a swipe. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep two side swipes in olive green. I'll keep some more yellow dots. To me, this metallic dot mandala looks really beautiful. I don't know whether it is because I created it or it is really looking beautiful. Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.